Wow. So they're chasing up the bait fish because these guys, these giant squid, man, are after them. Look at the size of this dude. Here's my hand. He probably weighs, look at his eye right there. Wow. See his eye? Oh, man. There's a little yellowtail, some bay bass I started with. If this gives you any perspective, here's a 1 gallon bottle of Kirkland water. He is huge. Probably weighs like 25-30 pounds. Man, and I caught 2 at one time. Alright, I better head back in. Oh man. Okay, this is crazy. Oh, there's this. I think I saw a squid. Alright.